Training managers are the face of a company's training initiatives. This can make your job complex and time-consuming. This being the case, it's important your training programs are cost-effective, easy to manage, and reliable. ReadyTech's got you covered. At ReadyTech, we believe training delivery solutions should be turnkey, not time-consuming and difficult to set up or maintain. Our platform helps you manage your training delivery program, maintain training schedules, lab setup and teardown, virtual classrooms, and manage course materials, allowing your team to deliver consistent courses through an all-in-one solution. No more local classroom installations, shipping hardware, or asking students to deal with challenging software installs to get ready before each class. We can host your labs on your company-owned AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud accounts, or use ReadyTech's data centers. Training organizations often don't have the biggest budgets, and cost control is critical. ReadyTech offers different pricing models that fit any size training organization and budget. You can pay as you go or join a subscription-based model. There are also no setup fees, termination penalties, or long-term contracts. Take back control of your training department's margins and cash flow. Successful training delivery solutions don't stop at great technology and straightforward pricing. ReadyTech support team is available whenever you need them. Any issues your instructors or students might face are handled in real time by our 24/7 live support team. Think of us as your safety net. We allow your instructors to focus on delivering the most effective and engaging learning experience possible. Make your day easier and less stressful with ReadyTech's turnkey training solutions. Cost-effective, easy to manage, and 24-hour support. That's what you get with ReadyTech. Contact us today.